Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today I am going to start chapter number 6, matrices. Here you can see students, I have written exercise 6th E. There are two reasons to write exercise 6th E. Actually some exercises I completed in the class. Out of ABCD, maybe ABC exercise I completed. If I did not complete these exercises, so students, you can do these exercises yourself, because in these exercises work of 10th class is there. Work of 10th class means addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, and product of two matrices. It is there. You have studied these points in class 10th. Easily you can do these exercises. Now this transpose also you have studied. I am going to explain here transpose matrix, properties of transpose matrix. Transpose matrix or transpose of a given matrix, you can say. You have studied in class 10th, but some properties of transpose are coming which you did not study in class 10th. So that's why I am taking this exercise. It is a very short concept it is. So you see here. If you have any problem in exercise A, B, C, D, you can ask. Then I will tell you. In comment you can ask. So first point is, you can see here, transpose matrix. What is transpose matrix? You know, if a matrix is given and if you convert its rows into columns and columns into rows, or in other words we can say rows and columns are interchanged. Rows and columns are interchanged. So resulting matrix will be the transpose of the given matrix. Suppose that you are having matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. Then its transpose matrix, you make rows, you convert rows into columns and columns into rows. So it will be 2, 4, 3, 5. So rows you have made columns and columns you have made rows. So this is the transpose matrix. Suppose it is given matrix is denoted by A, then transpose will be denoted by A dash or A T. A T also you can write here. So A dash also you can write here. So this is the transpose of a matrix, and this point also you have studied in class 10th. Now what is new? Properties of transpose matrix. So properties you are going to study. So you can see here, these are the properties. First property, transpose of A, transpose matrix of A equals A. Transpose of A means, if you are having a matrix A and you are finding its transpose A dash, and now you are taking again transpose of A dash like this, so it will become A. First property. Second property, transpose of minus A equals minus transpose of A, means it is written here minus A, its transpose you are taking, it will become minus outside transpose of A. Two properties I have explained. Third property, you see, transpose of sum of two matrices equals transpose of A plus transpose of B, means A plus B transpose equals A transpose plus B transpose. Fourth property, in the same way, A minus B transpose equals A transpose minus B transpose. Transpose of AB equals transpose of B multiplied by transpose of A. Important property this is. Transpose of AB equals transpose of B multiplied by transpose of A. Sixth, transpose of KA equals K into transpose of A. Means if a constant is there, 2A, its transpose you are finding. So 2 will come outside and transpose of A. Like this you can write. So these properties you have to learn, students, then you will be able to solve exercise 6E. Now some examples in front of you I am taking. You see, try to understand carefully. Very easy topic it is. This example number 49, matrix A is given. It is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now you have to find 1 upon 2. It is not power, it is 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. A dash is the transpose of matrix A. So first of all, A is given. Now transpose of A you can find easily. You can convert rows into columns. You can see here row is minus 2, 3, 4. And now you can see here column is minus 2, 3, 4. Second row is 5 minus 4 minus 3. Second column here in A dash 5 minus 4 minus 3. Third row 7 to 9 and third column in A dash 7 to 9. So you have made transpose matrix. Now A minus A dash, 1 upon 2 will be outside, A minus A dash you can see. So first term will be subtracted from first term. So minus 2 minus minus 2, minus 2 minus 2, it will become plus 2, it will become 0. Now 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2, minus 4 minus 4. So minus 4, it will become plus 4, 0. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 2 minus 3 equals plus 3, it will become 5. 9 minus 9 equals 0. So like this you have subtracted. By 2 you can divide, means you can write the answer 1 upon 0 divided by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, or like this you can leave the answer. In both the cases answer will be correct. Now example 50. You can see this example. What is given in this example? A is given, B is given, A, B dash you have to find. So first of all you find product of A and B, and then you find its transpose. A is given, B is given, A, B you can see here, A and B you have written. And I told you in class 10th also and in class 12th also, in the class I told you this product will be possible if number of columns of first matrix equals number of rows of second matrix. In first matrix, in matrix A, columns 1, 2, 3 columns. In second matrix, how many rows? 1, 2, 3 rows. So it means that product is possible. How can you multiply? Row by column, like this you can multiply. Row has term 2, 4 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1, and column 3 minus 1, 2. Now how can you multiply? First term will be multiplied by first term, this term will be multiplied by this term, and second term by second term, like this, and third term by third term, like this. So if you multiply 2 multiplied by 3, it will become 6. Then plus sign will come, 6 plus 4 multiplied by minus 1. 4 multiplied by minus 1, it will become minus 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2 it will become. So it is coming finally 6 minus 6, 0. So you can see here it is coming 0. Now you can see it is coming 0. In the same way you multiply, next term will be 8 plus 8 minus 1, 15. Then minus 3 plus 0 plus 4, 1. Minus 4 plus 0 plus 2, minus 2. So like this you have found the product of A and B. Now its transpose, convert columns into rows and rows into columns. Then 0, 15, 1 minus 2, it will be the final answer. Next example, 51 example I am not taking. This 51, both are same, 51 and 52 exactly they are same. So 52 I am taking. You can see 52 example. If A equals this one matrix, B equals one matrix, then you have to show property number 5. Product transpose of AB equals transpose of B into transpose of A. So first of all AB you find. Just before I told you to find AB, how to find AB. So it is coming 11, 18, 14, 27, 41, 34, minus 7, 5, minus 9. So it is product of AB. Its transpose, convert rows into column. 11, 18, 14 you write into column. 11, 18, 14. 27, 41, 34 you write into column. minus 7 5 minus 9 you write into third column. So you have found LHS. Now RHS also we will check. You take transpose of A and B separately. Transpose of B is this one, transpose of A is this one. So now you multiply both the transpose. B first you write according to the property, B first and B dash first and A dash second. So when you multiply 8 plus 3 plus 0, 20 plus 7 plus 0, minus 8 plus 1 plus 0, and finally answer is coming 11 18 14 27 41 34 minus 7 5 minus 9. Now you check both are matching or not. You can see here first one it is and second one it is. So in both you can see they are matching. It means that AB dash equals B dash into A dash. So this was all about this topic, students. Transpose matrix and properties of transpose matrix. I hope you have understood all the points which I explained, and after getting this video you will be able to solve this exercise 6th E, sorry, this is written 6th E. After this example exercise starts, so you solve all the question of this exercise, and if you have any problem then you can ask in comments. I will solve your problem through comments. Thank you and have a good day.